To initiate a web ballot, make sure you are logged in to the ACI website. Then on the Open Web Ballots, click on Manage. You have the option of choosing a web letter ballot or an administrative ballot. The ACI Technical Committee Manual provides guidance on what is an administrative ballot and what is a technical letter ballot. We're going to initiate a web letter ballot, so you click the button there. All the steps are provided for you. Here, since this is going to be related to a document, you choose a document that is under development. In this case, we're going to choose this future. Give it a title. We're going to call this Chapter 6 Ballot. And then you could just give your description here of what you're going to have the members look at. This is the revision to Chapter 6. If you attach a file, you would click Choose File. And we will choose one here. I'm just going to grab a different document. You could also attach a comment form, which we strongly suggest using, that you could have. Okay, your ballot date, remember, if it is anything less than 30 days, you need approval from your TAC contact and you need to send that to ACI staff. You're ready for step 2. Click Create or Edit Ballot Items. You'll notice your Enter Ballot item comes up here. So I like to say I approve the revisions to Chapter 6. If you were doing a multiple ballot item, you could say here, these are the revisions to Chapter 6, and do another ballot item. It will go like this, Add Ballot Item. Here it is. If you were doing multiple items, you would just keep adding information in ballot item description and then hit Add Ballot Item till you are finished. When you're done, you move on to step 3, Preview Ballot. You can see all the information is up here, your attachments, the end time. Notice it ends at Eastern Standard Time. Then click on Finalize and Launch Ballot. Automatically, it will notify members of the posting and send them those who have not responded halfway through and a day before the ballot closes. You can also attach a reminder calendar file to the notification email if you'd like. Then click Initiate Ballot. And you have just initiated a web ballot. Thank you.